Welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to be making for you today is pineapple salad. And this recipe today is a viewer's request. I had this email from Sarah. Sarah asked me, did I know how to make this pineapple salad? And between the two of us, we were able to come up with the ingredients to put in this salad. Long story, I'm not going to get into it. She would know. She's probably smiling now. But what we'll do, we'll show you the ingredients we're going to put in it. And what's so nice about this salad, if you like something else to go in there, you can put that in there as well. So let's get started on making this delicious pineapple salad. So thank you, Sarah, for bringing this recipe to us. So what we're going to do now is get started with our ingredients, which I'm going to tell you now. We're going to be using a Catalina dressing, a rotini noodle, and you could substitute that one if you want, mayo, flaked ham, tidbit pineapples, paprika for garnish, some cheddar cheese in cubes, pepper. We're going to be using salt for the pot, the water, and I'm going to be putting in there as well some green pepper cut into little cubes. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do first is take the lids off our containers, and I'm going to drain the juice from the flaked ham, and I'm going to pop that on into the bowl. Let's get it out of there. So we're going to be straining our tidbit pineapples through a strainer like this. You can keep the juice for, well, you can drink it or make a nice cocktail for yourself or even make another dessert. I'm going to put this to the side and then I'm going to show you what's next. So depending on how big of a rotini salad with pineapple salad that you would like to have, it would base on how many noodles you would want to put in your pot. I put 2 cups for this recipe that I'm showing you here today, and if you want more you can double it, of course. So in advance I had boiled the rotini noodles and let it cool. So what I'm going to show you now is what I'm going to do next. So boil your noodles for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until they're done, not overdone. Strain them, let them cool, and then what we're going to do now is add it with our flaked ham. Just pour it right on into the bowl. While you're boiling your noodles as well, add about a half a teaspoonful of salt, but only once it starts to boil, because you don't want to throw the salt into cold water. And that's the only time you need to add salt to this recipe. The tidbits is a 19-ounce can, so let it all strain and then pour it right into the salad. Just on in like this. So after you got your flaked ham, your rotini noodles, your pineapples, then you're going to toss in about a cupful of cubed cheese. Now you could use the cheese of your choice. I'm not sure, like Sarah might say, no, I wanted to use the white cheese, but whatever cheese you want to use there now, that's fine. Just add it in there. It's going to be equally as delicious. Let's toss this together first before we move to the next ingredients. So we're going to toss this together until it's all equally tossed. I think I'm going to get a bigger bowl to toss it with and put it back into this bowl once I got it all done. Okay, so let's toss all this. Just give me room to toss it around because I want equal amount of everything all through it. And then we could put it into this fancy bowl after to put it in the fridge. So just toss it around. As you can see, just look how nice this salad is already. And we really haven't done anything with it. Okay, so just toss it equally together like that. Then I'm going to put a pinch of pepper. I'm using black pepper, but if you don't want to show the pepper, you could use a white pepper. Now this is pretty much the salad that Sarah shared with us. This is what she could remember the salad to be all about. Except for putting in the dressing, of course. I want to add in some green peppers because green peppers give it gives it that little pop, puts that little color into it, and that's what you need as well. If you don't like green pepper and you want to use a different color, that's fine. You could use whatever pepper or without the peppers, because again, you don't need it in there. It just gives it that nice color. So that was 3 tablespoonfuls of mayo. You could use Miracle Whip or whatever dressing of choice, and just toss that in there as well, like this. So what I'm going to do next now is pour this delicious pineapple salad back into my glass bowl, because this is where I want to display it, so you can see all of the different colors in there and the textures of the salad. And then once I put it all back in there, we don't need to touch it anymore. Now if you want to add something else to this salad, that's totally up to you, but this is pretty much the way Sarah had told me the salad was. And what we're going to do now, Newfoundlanders love paprika. Paprika to put over the top of the salads. I got a cold plate that's already on Bonita's kitchen right now, but this salad is not there with it. And what we like to do is just top it with a little bit of paprika first, just to make it look good. It's just a garnish. So what I'm going to do now is scoop up a nice bit for you and show you what we're going to do with our dressing. So Sarah told me that after you scoop up a nice helping of this salad, now you can have this salad with a cold plate. And when I say cold plate, in Newfoundland, we're big on cold plates. It's different salads, potato salad, macaroni salad of whatever choice, and some more. So you can visit that on Bonita's kitchen. And after you scoop it up like this, a nice little helping, you take your dressing and you just pour a little bit over the top. So we're going to take our Catalina dressing and then pour right over the top like this. And this is just for a garnish, and it gives it that extra prettiness. And now I'm going to have a little taste. So just in case I'm pronouncing the name wrong, it's probably Catalina, and I'm calling it Catalina. But this is the dressing. Delicious. Now I'm going to have a taste. Tell you what it tastes like. You can taste all the flavors in there, but this dressing is delicious. And you can as well taste the pineapple crunch, a little bit of the green pepper. Delicious. Thank you, Sarah, for sharing this recipe with us. So that's how quick and easy it is to make this delicious pineapple salad. And of course, 2 thumbs up by Bonita's Kitchen. Thank you again, Sarah, for sharing this recipe with us. And if there's a recipe out there that anyone else would like to see, and if we can do it, we would love to show you how to make it on Bonita's Kitchen. I try to stick to my traditional Newfoundland recipes, but I also do viewer's choice. So just send in your requests and we'll try to get to them. So if you'd like to see more of our recipes, traditional and non-traditional, just go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. And each time we post a new video, we will send you a prompt and let you know we did so. You can also visit me on my website, www.bonitaskitchen.com. Send me a message on Facebook or tweet on Twitter. So thank you, Sarah, for giving us the opportunity to make this delicious pineapple salad. And thank all of you for joining us today and watching another episode of Bonita's Kitchen. From our kitchen to yours. You have a wonderful day.